guys, welcome to my lockdown kitchen. It's a beautiful day and I'm cooking up some really good food.
Welcome to Curly Tales presents Restaurant Style at Home. Our chef for today is someone whose dishes I admire a lot. He's a chef, a TV host, a food connoisseur and a restaurateur with trend-setting dishes. Let's meet Chef Vicky Ratnani, who's going to show us how to cook one of his yummy lockdown recipes.
Hey guys, welcome to my lockdown kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful fish fillet with a quick tomato sauce with olives and jalapenos. But don't worry, it may sound fancy, but it's very simple because you can use any fish or any seafood and even mushrooms in this recipe. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm cooking a fish which is called COBIA, which is also called black kingfish. Sustainable fish, very nice, clean flavors. It almost looks like a white tuna if you ask me. Now I'm doing a very simple recipe today, inspired actually by my travels to Mexico, where we're going to be making a sauce with these ingredients. But first things first, let me finish by marinating the fish. Now good fish does not need too much spices or herbs. I'm just adding a little bit of salt to this. I'm adding a little bit of a touch of red chili powder, and I'm adding a little bit of cumin powder. Okay, that's it, nothing else. So that's my marinade for my fish. I'm going to give this a nice mix. Juice of quarter of a lemon inside. That's it. Very simple marination. Let's wash our hands. Heating up a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Now, olive oil is also going to be used for our sauce or our kind of salsa which actually goes with it. Very quickly I'm going to sear off the fish. Lovely. So we're going to turn this over very nicely. Let's give this a beautiful sear. Okay, job done. Perfecto. I'm going to keep these on the side here. Now, in the same pan, slice garlic, split green chili, a little bit of chili flakes, a little bit of oregano, okay, dried oregano. Give this a nice tadka, a nice tempering, lovely. And as you see, when the garlic starts a little dancing, it's getting a beautiful color. Okay, next I'm going to be adding this a little mix. Next, I'm going to be adding a little bit of jalapenos from the can or from the bottle. Beautiful pickle flavor. Some lovely olives. Lovely. Next, I have some chopped tomatoes here. Beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic. Fresh coriander. Just tearing it in without any tension, no pressure. I'm adding a dash of water, not too much. Lovely. Beautiful sauce is ready. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to this. Lovely, not too much. Giving it a little mix. Beautiful. Next, we're going to be putting our fish back in here and covering this for 2 minutes. My beautiful fish, COBIA, is ready. Beautiful. Next, I have my lovely sauce. Which I'm going to be putting right here. COBIA with tomatoes, olives and chilies ready.
Well, thank you so much, Chef. This indeed looks like a quick and yummy recipe to make a beautiful fish in this lovely weather. And if you guys are also inspired to make this dish, then remember to let us know in the comments below. Till then, this is me, Bianca Saurashtri. I'll see you soon. Happy cooking!